guys, so we are gonna vlog with my kuya. I mean with my cousin. Yes. So today I'm gonna speak Tagalog. Okay? You can just translate or what. Okay, so guys, ngayon mag-vlog tayo. Tapos itong kuya ko hindi ko... Ay! Pumutok!
Wala na lang naman.
Pumutok!
Wala ko na lang naman.
Guys, pumutok! Ginanto yan.
Wala na lang naman. Wala ko na lang naman ang umusok siya.
Gawin mo pa. Wait, isa pa.
Wala ko na lang naman na pumutok.
Eto! Guys! Ayan, ito. Hoy! Ano gagawin niya? Ano gagawin niya? Putokin mo!
Ayoko! Wait lang.
So, let's start the game. Call of Duty. So, yes. Let's go serious mode.
Wow, serious mouth.
Ay. Okay, so guys, let's start. Uy! Pumutok na naman.
Putok na naman.
Lagi naman pumuputok.
Pangalawang putok na yun ah.
Okay guys, so I think there is someone behind me. No, not this one. This
So,
one.
paputokin natin to.
Okay.
Tatakot ako yung putokin.
Pa! Oh, what? Bruh! My phone is unconfirmable.
Oy! Carry pa ko nga ng budong boys. Carry pa din namin yung balon ako.
Wait lang.
Oh, 10.
Hoy, wait lang! May pinap...
8.
Kapag nakapatay na ako isa dito.
7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Dito tabi.
yun? Wala yun. Okay guys.
Ay, makuha ng balon.
So mamaya maglalaro na tayo ng Black Fruit.
Makuha ng balon, please.
Hindi naman mamatay-matay ka. Melee time. Oh! Ako Fennec. Ay. Duga ano na. Oy, ano yun? Ano yung aiming na yun? Oh! Mamamatay kayong lahat.
Dapat mo lang malaman. Easy
Alam.
20k. Yay.
Eh! Okay guys, so let's move on to Roblox. You promise my son you'll give him Robux. Ba't pa pala ako nag-i-English? Sabi ko nga pala, di ba Tagalog? Ba't ganun? Halilito.
Putot ako.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Oh, baho. Baho. Sorry guys. Sorry guys, itong kuya ko nagiging makulit.
Ala.
Guys, umutot ko. Umutot kuya ko. Ang baho. Ako lang.
Wala naman kumaya.
This is the comedy studio. Huwag mo muna yan ihulog ah. Hydra Island. Let me check my leopard. If it's here.
Uy.
Okay, it's here.
Kukuha ng balon please, Harry.
What the hell? Oh! Okay, so guys, kaya ano daw? Ang lakas naman ng funk mo!
Marry your crush or drive a W.
Ano nangyari? Okay, so okay, okay guys, so maghanap tayo ng server. Mag-server hop tayo. Kapag may nahanap na tayo, makipag-trade tayo at tapos ayun lang. Ngayon, pag 1v1 matatalo at ako.
Uy, Harry. Ano ba?
May binigay lang ako sa'yo ah. Okay guys. May nahanap tayo guys. So, okay guys, let's find a trade for Kitsune. I need Kitsune, bro. Hindi niya in-accept. Wala pa nga binibigay. Bruce giving a rocket! Okay guys, so let's trade up for a leopard. Wait. Is he actually willing to do this? Is he actually willing to do this, guys? Gagawin niya ba to, guys? Gagawin niya ba to? Is he? Gagawin niya to? Accept? I guess. Gagawin niya ba to? Bro. Accept. What is blood doing? Oh, he is... Okay guys, wait. Okay, I'm back. So, let's see what will they trade. Quick for love. Quick, I will trade you my goals. Is he gonna accept or is he just have love? No. Is he accepting this? Yo. Guys, I'm tired. And I'm gonna go sleep. Okay. Back for part 2. I guess like 10k likes. Or maybe 10 likes.